Hey everybody, I'm Stephen Baxley with OnPoint Upfitters. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Reems Creek Fire Department's Battalion Chief 14. All right, we built this truck in all wheel and core products, and we chose to go with the smoked lens on every light head. So as you can see, we have T-ions up in the air dam. We have a couple mega T's down in the grill and some lower T-ions as well. This truck has dual speakers, dual tone behind the bumper. Also has dual howler system. We flash the DRLs and the fog lights. We diode flash those so they have pattern control from the wheel and core system. We put T-ions on the mirror caps and over the wheel arches. This truck is equipped with a dual Kenwood radio, which are tri-band. So both of those antennas are tri-band antennas. We did the full graphics package in-house, all reflective, all custom new design for Reems Creek, which they followed up with a ambulance recently as well. This truck has an ARE custom matched black camper shell, and we also tuxedo wrapped the roof of the truck to match that, so we have a black on red appearance. We have LED light strips, kingpins on each door and inside the upper part of the shell to illuminate inside the bed. This has a Blue Sea auto eject system, 3,000 watt inverter. This truck is again, it's a Battalion Chief vehicle, first out truck, but it also serves as the drone command vehicle for the Reems Creek Fire Department. When we built this truck, our sister company, Airworks Unmanned Solutions, we included two of our Airworks 24-inch Go Command sunlight viewable monitors. So those are direct sunlight viewable. We included one on the side, and then there's the one here in the back. This is a custom Rockland box that we had made. Rockland's made down in South Carolina, down in lower South Carolina, near the coast. We had this custom made specifically for this truck. We have a dual control head there for our wheel and core system. It matches the exact same controller in the front. We have a pull-out whiteboard. We additionally have a pull-out laptop stand, so you can have a laptop here, whiteboard, and the monitor for your drone system. The truck has plenty of power to operate and recharge drone battery systems, which is very important, as this has a large drone that's typically on this truck that would be stored in the side pull out. This is another custom component we had put in so the drone can sit here and be slid in and out of the truck. Again, custom graphics, Battalion Chief on the door, mega T's up high. And then we can come into the truck. We've got tracers along the bottom. These are also smoke tracers, and we have these on electric steps. Those particular tracers, right now the power's off in the truck as we're doing this walk around. However, those tracers normally would light up white to illuminate the ground. We did a custom Plastics Plus console. We also have a Rockland box under the seat that has all of the electronics in it. As you can see, we've got our Blue Sea charging system. It's a dual battery charger, and all electronics are easily accessible there. And again, coming into the cab, we have interior headliner speakers up in the center for both the radios. So we don't have your typical big square box speaker sticking out. We've got those recessed in the headliner. We also have red cargo interior lights. Those are red with a door when the power's on in the truck. and then we also have those where they can illuminate white as needed. Again, a custom Plastics Plus consoles, absolutely perfect. Looks beautiful in the truck, very comfortable. Leather padded armrest, and storage is lockable. We really like those. And up on top, we've got a 54-inch Whelen Legacy light bar. This is a red, white, red, amber with green end caps. So red, green end for command. This truck is just absolutely beautiful. We spent a lot of time to make this perfect. This truck was commissioned by the late Chief Chris Dorsey, which was a good friend of ours, who we were able to luckily deliver this to him a couple weeks before he passed away recently. And we're so happy that we were able to get that done, and he was able to see this come to life. This was a big project for him, and he was very excited about it. Huge drone program advocate, and this was the first step in advancing his drone program at the Reems Creek Fire Department.